Ready? 3, 2, 1, action.
Hello, gorgeous. Welcome to Sanctuary of Style. Look who has graced us with his presence.
Hey, I'm a professional. Come on.
He's usually behind the camera, but I needed his help today. So I have given you years of beauty tips and all of that. I've never really talked about sleep. So to look good, to feel good, it all starts with good sleep. And
how much of a challenge it is to get good sleep these days.
Yes.
It's a nightmare. For me, it's a nightmare. I felt like I haven't had a good night's sleep in years.
Yeah, but that's about to change. Fingers crossed. So obviously we are sitting on, we don't have a mattress. And that's because our new mattress has just arrived.
Hey.
Are you as excited as I am?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Can't wait.
So last year, super exciting, Aaron upgraded us to a king mattress. We'd had a queen for years. And he did all the research.
Tried hard.
I know.
I tried so hard. I went and laid on I felt like 100 different beds. And really did the research as good as I could.
Yeah.
But
no, he is the best researcher. A++ for effort. But unfortunately, I mean, it was just too soft.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's a hybrid mattress. It was like all of the things that seemed like the right thing for us, but
But like anything, you have to sleep on it for maybe a month or longer to figure out if it's a fit. So it's too soft. We're both side sleepers, and I just feel like I'm rolling constantly all night long, and I wake up a lot. So you wake up exhausted. So when you're talking about getting a good night's sleep and just your health and wellness, it all starts with really great sleep. That's when your body regenerates. So, hello Helix. Super, super excited today. Our Helix mattress has arrived, and we are going to go step by step, unbox it, show you guys. They actually have an amazing website. This is the key with Helix. It is totally different because it's customized, right? It's personalized. And Aaron actually walked through, you filled everything out, right?
Yeah, you go through the questionnaire, and it asks you, if you're a side sleeper or a back sleeper or a front sleeper or head sleeper or whatever.
Sleep on top of your head.
And what your partner is, and it goes through and really analyzes what you need in a bed.
Yeah. First step is getting it out of the box.
Yes.
So let's get started.
Okay.
So it's a huge box. I need the muscles. Need the muscles.
This is heavy. The king size one's really heavy.
Yeah, it's really heavy. Oh, perfect.
Okay. Yeah.
That's crazy. Look at it. It looks so compact. Aaron is cutting it open, and it is continuing to expand.
It's nice. Wow.
Does it already feel good? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so now we just have to let it sit and expand for like an hour. Oh my gosh. Babe, you are gonna love this. And I actually had a really bad night's sleep last night, oh my gosh. It already feels amazing. All right, babe, ready, set, go. First impressions.
Go where?
Don't overthink
Actually, I really love it.
You do?
Yeah.
I know I do too.
Yeah, it's actually even better than I thought. It feels plush. It feels soft but firm.
I know, that's the crazy thing, right? So it feels like it conforms to my body, but then there's like a firm...
It's plush, but there's support.
Support, great word.
Yeah, I like words.
You should be a writer.
I should.
What about a songwriter? I think he's already nodding off. So I like that it doesn't, like the pressure points.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like your hip, and then it really supports the whole body.
That feels so much better.
Yeah.
So...
Yay! Yay!
Nice.
Okay, that's our first impressions. So far, we're totally excited, totally stoked. but the true test will be after a full night's sleep.
You know what I'm gonna do today?
What?
Sleep. So yeah.
See ya.